Hi, so you trying to make that paper? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your first $100 on Twitch. Cue the intro.
This streamer loves Jesus, Boba, and Naruto. Twitch community, give a warm round of applause to our newest partner, Darker for Serenity!
My name is James, or Dark Over Serenity. I am a Twitch partner with 20,000 followers. I have 140,000 followers on TikTok and 13,000 subscribers on YouTube. I believe that everyone who wants to be successful can be, which is exactly why I'm comfortable sharing everything I know with you. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 concrete ways on how you can go about making your first $100 on Twitch, as well as how I've managed to make $100 every single month since I've been an affiliate. And we're going to take a dive into my analytics so that you can know what I'm saying to you is true. Also, I stream Wednesday through Sunday on Twitch, so if you have any more questions, come talk. So these are my analytics for my first month as an affiliate. I'm not showing you these numbers to flex. There are people who've made so much more money than me on their first month streaming, but I do want to show you what's possible with some hard work, dedication, and consistency from someone who is a completely average looking human being with no special talents or skills. As you can see, I didn't make any money the first week because I did not get affiliated until May 7th. I managed to make $118 on Twitch in about 3 weeks, and I know you can do the same. All right, let's get into the 5 concrete ways on how you can do this as well. The first thing that I believe you should do is make sure you're involved in other communities. Being a Twitch streamer is not about entertainment, especially on the smaller end. This isn't YouTube. People watch smaller streamers for the connection, the communication, and because they genuinely like you as a human being. Before I started streaming, I was heavily involved in the Overwatch community, as well as a mod in my friend Ace of Spades OW stream, who was an affiliate at the time and averaged about 20 viewers. I was always in streams, people knew me, I was friendly, I played games with people outside of this stream, and I had real connections. So when I started streaming, a lot of those people came and supported me as friends, not viewers. I was able to DM the people and the friends that I've made on Twitch and let them know, be like, hey, I'm streaming. It'd be really awesome to talk to you while I play some games. And I was also able to tell a couple of my streamer friends that I streamed as well, because I was actually friends with them and part of their communities and not trying to mooch off them. And in turn, they would raid me whenever they were finished streaming, or I would ask them to raid me and they would come say hi once in a while. And when people come into the stream from other streams or the streamer themselves, you can talk about them or what happens in the streams that you guys both watch. Also, this should go without saying, but do not self-promote. Do not go into somebody's stream saying, oh, hey, I just started streaming. Please support me. No one's going to like you, and no one's going to come watch their stream. And if they do, they're just going to flame you. On to number 2. The second thing that I did and that you should do is be completely, unashamedly yourself. I know that sounds really simple and maybe like a no-brainer to some of you, but as I said, people go to smaller streamers for that genuine connection. People can tell if you're being fake or you're trying to hide something or the way you are. Someone cannot connect to you if they don't know you or they can tell you're not being yourself. I'm not saying you have to share all of your personal business, but just be genuine. All right, the third thing. Have you heard of Twitch Prime? All memes aside, one of the easiest and most guaranteed ways to make money on Twitch is to tell your friends and family that they can subscribe to you for free with Twitch Prime. And it's free! I know, it goes against all conventional wisdom and dreams of having random strangers on the internet give you money just because. But if you're serious and really want this, you have to be willing to do whatever it takes and maybe get a little uncomfortable sometimes. When I started streaming, I would literally go over to my dad and stepmom's house. I made them a Twitch account, connected the Prime, and Prime sub to myself. I would also send emails out to friends, people I met through my mom, call people on the phone or talk to people in person and ask if they had Amazon Prime. And when they said yes, I would tell them how excited I was that I just started streaming and that I'm really trying to make it on Twitch, and I would really appreciate it if they Prime sub me. People that love you in your real life are going to want to support you just as much, if not more, than anyone in your streams. I know you all can think of 5 people who have Amazon Prime who would Prime sub you, okay? And emphasize that it is free and it gives you money. Number 4, give back to your community, please. They don't have to support you. They support you because they love you, and everyone wants to get love back. Think of different creative ways to give back. Something I personally did was at 20 subs or 25 subs, I would do like a $10 Amazon gift card giveaway. You can do anything you want. I just know that this personally helped me, but I'm sure you can get much more creative and you'll get much better results. Number 5, and the last thing, we need to talk about your stream schedule. I know all conventional wisdom and stream coaches and this and that will tell you, don't stream very long hours. Stream 2 to 3 times a week. 3 hours a day until you get a base. I've even said that. But if you're just starting and you have no base and only the 10 or 20 people that you've been friends with in streams and maybe 1 or 2 people from real life are the only people watching you, you need to be live as much as possible, because if you're not, the likelihood that they're going to show up is very small. You have to understand people have schedules and are busy and doing things, or may just not want to watch you at that certain time. But if they continue to see that you're on, the likelihood that they're going to watch you is much higher. And that brings me to my last point, and it's not really a money making point, but it is. Make sure you love what you do. I streamed 111 hours to make $113. That is literal slave wages. You never know who is watching you or when someone's going to hop into your stream. And no one wants to be around, support, or donate to a Debbie Downer. So please enjoy yourself. This is supposed to be fun. All right, I hope this helps you. I love you. God loves you, and God bless. Peace.